How to assign project elements. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to use the assign command in the software. It is one of several commands that follow a consistent pattern. Once you understand the workflow, the same approach carries over to all project elements in the software. Here we have an existing project with a set of subbasin polygons created using the Delineate Subbasins command. If you want to know more about it, the tutorial is linked in the corner of the screen and in the video description below. Next, we need to assign these polygons as subbasin model elements. To do that, head over to the Input ribbon menu, open the Drainage Subbasins dropdown, and select the Assign Subbasins command. The Assign Subbasins dialog box will open. Click the Pick button and the dialog will temporarily disappear. Select a polygon directly from the map view, and the dialog will return with the status updated from not selected to selected. You can then go ahead and type the ID you want for that subbasin. If you have multiple polygons to assign and want the software to name them automatically, switch to the Auto Name Subbasin ID option. We have covered these naming options in the Drawing Project Elements tutorial. The link is in the description below. Now click the Pick button again to return to the map view. You can click to select polygons individually, or right-click on one and choose Select Similar to select all of them at once. This is a quick way to grab all your subbasins in a single step. The software also supports different selection modes. For a window selection, click on the left side and drag to the right. This selects all elements located fully inside the dragged window area. For a window crossing selection, click on the right side and drag to the left. This selects all elements that are contained inside and touching the dragged window. The other two selection modes, Polygon Select and Polygon Crossing Select, can be accessed using the selection tool from the toolbar. These work similarly to the window and crossing selections, but instead of a rectangle, you draw a custom polygon as the selection boundary. Once you are done with the selection, press the Enter key or right-click and select Done, and the software will assign them as subbasins. Now close the dialog box, turn this shapefile layer off, and you will see all the selected polygons have been assigned as subbasins. And that covers the Assign command. It provides a quick, direct way to assign your model elements such as subbasins, reaches, junctions, and more.